Hey friends, how are you? We are here to do our sinking funds totals for the month of March. So it is not yet quite what? March is not quite over yet. Wow, that was hard to say. March is not quite over yet, but that's okay. I don't think I'm going to be adding any more money into my sinking funds. So it is okay to count them up. And even if I do add money, I mean, it's not a big deal. I'm not that precise. So we're going to get right down to it. This is the budget planner created by me, available on Amazon. If you want a full flip through of this, check my playlist. Why is like speaking so difficult for me today? um, check my playlist. I have a playlist of all of my Amazon books with full flip throughs because Amazon, for whatever reason, does not show pictures. So if you want to see the inside, you can. But yeah, it's linked below in my description box, as well as even further down in my description box, I have the link for my Amazon storefront. And it's linked in there along with all of my other books. So we are going to do, let's see, it's 2026 March. I put those on the wrong lines, but that's okay. You won't judge me. So yeah, we're going to get right down to it. So the first thing I need to do is write all of my sinking fund categories, and I just always transfer them over from the previous month. So what I like to do is just fold this page here, and then I could easily transfer over the categories. And then the starting balance for March is going to be the ending balance for February. So what we ended February with, we started March with, right? So I'm going to go ahead and transfer all of that information over, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that is finished. And now we're going to get to counting. Let me move my nails out of the way. Okay, so let's see. Can you see that? I think so. Okay. We're going to start with this binder. So Amazon Prime, actually, let me just say, we ended the month of February with $3,666 in our sinking funds, which is great. Overall, I think this number is going to actually go down a little bit. We'll see. Okay, so Amazon Prime, we had 305. We now have 50, 60, 1, and 2, 62, because I did pay for my Amazon Prime membership and my Amazon Music membership. So that's okay. That's what that money was there for. So that's a big hit, minus 243. Okay, then beauty, we had 58. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 40, 60, 80, 88. I literally, wow, yeah, I could not remember. 88. So we put in 30. So that's good. Okay, vacay, this should be a nice big bump. We did have 816. We now have 1,000, 11, 12, 13, 20, 40, 60, 80, 14, 20, 40, 50, 60, 14, 60, 65, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 14, 76, and that is excellent. That is fully funded. Okay, so that is plus 660 bucks. Nice. We added 660 in 1 month, which is excellent. Okay. Emergency should also be a little bump because we had a finished challenge. So we started with 581. We now have 5, 6, 50, 70, 81. So 681, which is great. That's plus 100. All of these are a little bit easier to count because I just filmed a little condensing for the members. I had to do some cash swapping in my envelopes, and I figured I would condense as well. So these should all be very fast and easy to count. Medical, we had 331. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31. So still 331. My son just got 4 teeth pulled. 4. He needed to get them pulled to make room for his adult teeth to grow in. His teeth are very crowded. And he actually had 2 of his adult teeth popping through on the bottom, but they had nowhere to go. So he had to get 2 pulled on the bottom and then 2 on the top. And he did great. He did so good, but it cost me $158, I think. And honestly, I put it on a card. I really need to like pull money out of there and put it towards it. I also never gave my husband money for our daughter's $500 bill. I don't know. Okay, taxes. We had 436. We now have 5, 6, 7, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 7, 43. I still need $100 in there. By April 15th, by the time the tax payments due, to pay my quarterly taxes. However, I am getting my taxes done this weekend, so that's plus 307. And I am going to ask the accountant if she thinks I still should pay the $800. It would be so nice, and I mean so nice, to pay less than $840 in quarterly taxes. However, I just don't want to underpay my quarterly taxes and then have to pay when I file. So it's kind of the same thing. I'm just basically prepaying what I'm going to owe. But sometimes it stresses me out to have to come up with that $840 every quarter. So I don't know. We're going to talk about it and I'm going to see what she thinks. Okay, so Penelope, we had 252. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 10, 15. Oh, this is a lot of ones. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 244. And that is correct. She does have her vet visit actually today, her annual. So that's plus 8, minus 8, minus 8. So pretty much probably all of that is going to come out, if not all of it. So that's why I really wanted to get this sinking funds count up done, because I know she has that vet appointment later on. Okay, car maintenance. We had 196. I don't think I added anything into here. 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. So 196 still, which is good. No change there. Maybe this will be a positive, and not a negative. That would be excellent. Okay, holidays. We had 75. We now have 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 85, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. 104. So that's good. And I need to go shopping. I need to go shopping. I've been saying it. Shopping for Easter, that is. I have been saying it. I just have not had, like I just didn't. I just haven't gone. Okay, groceries. We had $3. I think we still do. 3, yes. So next month when I spend that holiday money, that's going to obviously be a decrease. Okay, birthdays. We had 315. This is going to be lower because we just had my son's party. 20, 40, 60, 75, 85, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 126. So that's a drastic change, but I am happy to have both of my kids' birthday parties done and paid for. 315 minus 126, so we minus 189. Big hit. But now they're both paid for, so my goal from now on is just going to be to continue to save and try to build this back up for the remainder of the year so that next year when their parties roll around, you know, I have the money. Okay, kids, we had 228. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 55, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2. 182. Yes, that is correct. So 182 in here. So that was another hit, minus 182. So minus 46. Okay, and then last but not least, we have Christmas. And let's see, we had $70 in Christmas, and I know if we have any more, it's not much. 50, 70, 90, 110. So a bump is a bump, right? A bump is a bump is a bump. 110. So what's that, plus 40? Yes, I used my fingers for that. Okay. I am so behind on Christmas, you guys. So behind. It's practically April and I have $110 saved. Like, what am I doing? I know, I just don't have money. Okay, so now that we're done, I'm going to go ahead and add up the ending balance, and I will be right back. At the end of March 2026, we had, woo, 43.46, baby. Yes, 43.46. Love that. Now I am gonna have to take a 1,400 out of vacation very soon, so April's gonna be a humongous hit. But I always say in these videos, that is what the money is here for. It is here to be spent. So yeah. So 43.46 minus 36.66 equals 680. So we put $680 into our sinking funds in the month of March, which is excellent. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to just total up this difference column right here and make sure it adds up to plus 680, and I'll be right back. Okay, perfect. Plus 680. I am super happy with that. Yeah, that's it. We added 680 bucks in March, and that is excellent. Okay, my friends, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I am so grateful that you're here. I hope you're having a fantastic week or weekend whenever this video airs, and I will catch you in the next video.